Alright, so my first trade was on Monday, which was a win. And after having this price push, I was anticipating that we will chase liquidity or we'll have liquidity hand. And this is exactly what happened. What I actually waited, so what I like to do when we have this kind of free push, so it's usually we'll have the first high, then we'll have another high and the third one. This is my favorite pattern which I actually follow. I also like when the price is rejecting. So instead of actually taking the previous highs, I like to see when the price rejects and then we start going lower. And then price again struggle to make higher high. I also like those kind of setups. But in this example, I could see clearly that we will just trying to close this gap. Plus, what I have here, it was our new week opening gap, which was explained by 𝗙cie in his 2024 mentorship. And I was actually anticipating that the price will close this new weekly opening gap. And this is when my second idea came from. So if I can show you this trade. In this example, as explained, I was anticipating that we will close or fill this gap, which I mark in this yellow area. However, the price didn't break this part and we push up. So I got stop out. And this is the screenshot before the price went up. So this is what I was anticipating, as you can see. What I also like to see when the price is kind of dropping. And this is when I thought, okay, cool, we probably will close this gap, which I just explained, but we didn't. And this is the third trade. That's the trade which I was stop out at break even. And you can see that I am stop out here because I re-entered this trade and this is when I got stop out. However, when I first entered this trade, I will have to zoom this in. I was extremely lucky, in fact, that I didn't got stop out here. I don't know how this happened, but the stop loss didn't go triggered and I actually was in this trade. And when I moved my stop loss to break even, I was stop out at break even. And then I decided that I will re-enter this trade. And then unfortunately price dropped down and this is when I got stop out. So this is exactly what happened. That was my previous week with my trades. And I'm extremely grateful for it because the more I trade, the better I will get. So I am happy with my outcome, even though I didn't make money. However, we have the next week and the more I trade, then I can see improvement. So I'm pretty happy about this. Thank you guys for watching.